Hey guys, so today I will be sharing with you a very interesting topic, and that is the correlation of water and hair growth. And hopefully once I'm done talking, all of you would be motivated to drink more water like I did, because my cousin can really attest that I don't drink enough water as I should. Especially during the heat wave here, there's a tendency that a person can be dehydrated due to the lack of drinking water. And not only will it affect your hair, but also your skin and just basically your health. So let us begin. I'm just gonna be reading this to you all because I found this on this really cool website. And it says here 4 ways drinking water improves hair growth. Now it says here that the most important thing that we can do for our body is drink water. The Institute of Medicine has determined that the needed daily intake of water for hair growth for men and women is somewhere between 2 to 3 liters. Do you get enough water on a daily basis for your hair to grow healthy? You know, this is a really good question. Let me know in the comments down below, how many liters of water do you take in every day? Because personally for me, before reading this article, I don't even drink 2 liters of water. I just probably drink 1 liter of water because sometimes I substitute drinking water with drinking either flavored drinks or fizzy drinks, especially during this lockdown, so oops. Alright, so let's continue. Internally, staying hydrated is important. It is also a factor that can contribute to a highly sought after needed for longer hair. Here are 4 ways that drinking water can improve hair growth. So, number 1. Much like a plant needs water to grow, so does hair. Water is a key ingredient that supports vitamins, which contributes to your hair growth. Now, I really do like the whole plant analogy here because it's really true. If you just observe in a plant, if you are gardening, I'm so into gardening right now. If you don't water the plants, they will eventually just die, especially during this time when there's a heat wave, or even if there's no heat wave. If you don't water the plants, your plants wouldn't grow at all. It won't survive without water. Some plants, water is their lifeline, and actually our body, I think they said that it is composed of, I don't want to get this wrong, let me Google this. Our body is, what, 80% water? It says here that up to 60% of the human adult body is water, so we really need it. So does our hair. Alright, so number 2, it says here that, believe it or not, but water makes up almost 25% of the weight of a single strand of hair. Drinking at least 2 liters of water a day will help the strength of your hair, increasing growth. Alright, number 3. Dehydration immediately halts hair growth. As previously stated, our hair needs moisture, preferably soft water for your hair. When it does not have the moisture it needs, your hair ends will split or become brittle. This makes it difficult for your hair to grow. It is possible for one's hair to stop growing completely if you're not drinking enough water. I don't think that statement needs more explanation. The goal here is to not be dehydrated. Always hydrate yourself. Alright, number 4. Drinking water also triggers the energy that is transmitted to the scalp that runs into your hair's end. When the roots are hydrated, this will eliminate problems like dandruff. So not only is water great for your hair and for the strands of your hair, but it is also great for your scalp. It's very important to keep your scalp healthy and hydrated. Just because if your scalp is unhealthy, it is really going to hinder your hair from growing healthy as well. So it says here that by drinking the water your body needs, your skin, scalp, and body will function significantly better than it would without enough hydration. These are endless benefits of water. Even something like coconut water. Coconut water is probably one of my favorite go-to hydration drink just because it tastes really good and it's not plain or blonde. But anyway, coconut water has vitamins that will add to the health of your hair growth. For the long, healthy locks that everyone strives for, first thing to do is enjoy your home drinking water. So that is it, you guys. I hope that this video motivated you to drink more water. And actually, you can be creative with your water, just in case to some of you who really doesn't like the taste of the blunt water. What you can do is you can also add in some lemon or just infuse fruits in the water without any sugar, okay? Just so that it would flavor the water. Or simply add in some cucumbers or mint if you want more flavor to the water. But I really do suggest, if you can, taking in or drinking just the plain water. Right now our water here is alkaline, which I think is really great. We've been drinking as a whole family alkaline water, and I find that personally, just for us, it has some really great effects in our body compared to drinking the distilled water or the purified water. But at this point it doesn't really matter, as long as it is water, drink it because it's good for you. And also, if you guys have an opportunity, go ahead and try out the coconut water, because not only does it taste good, but also it has a lot of health benefits. And also, if you live in a country that coconut is accessible to you, go ahead and take advantage of drinking the fresh coconut water. And to some of you who probably don't have coconuts in your country, you can actually go ahead and buy those coconut water that is in the box. If you all want my coconut water recommendations, I'm just going to be linking that in the description box down below. So that is it. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!